Hi all! Today you start studying systems of first-order linear differential equations. In this video you will see what they are by considering an example. For this first example we consider a system of two vats with a saline solution. There's water flowing into the first vat, from the first to the second vat, and out the last vat. The flow is the same in all three pipes, so the water level remains the same in both vats. The inflowing water contains salt, and under the flow the salt is moving through the vats. How does the salt concentration in both vats change over time? Let's make this more specific. Suppose the top vat contains 100 liters of water, the bottom vat 500 liters, and the flow of water is 2 liters per minute in all pipes. We call the amount of salt in the first vat x grams and in the second vat y grams, both of course dependent on the time. The concentration of salt through pipe A is 20 grams per liter. In addition, we assume that the vats are well mixed all the time, so the concentration of salt in pipe B flowing out of the top vat equals the average concentration in the entire vat. Then we see that the amount of salt in the top vat changes over time according to the change in the amount of salt equals input minus output. The change is given by the derivative of x. The input is 2 liters per minute times 20 grams per liter. The concentration of salt in the vat equals x over 100. So the output equals 2 liters per minute times x over 100 grams per liter. Similarly, y prime equals input 2 liters per minute times x over 100 grams per liter minus output 2 liters per minute times y over 500 grams per minute. Thus, we obtain the two differential equations x prime equals 40 minus x over 50 and y prime equals x over 50 minus y over 250. This is an example of a system of two linear ordinary differential equations of first order. Let us parse this name. It is a system of equations as there are two equations, just as a system in linear algebra. The equations are linear as they are linear in both x and y. These are ordinary differential equations as only one type of derivative appears. There are no partial derivatives. And finally, it is first order as the highest order derivative that appears is the first order. There are no second order derivatives. In class, you will learn how to solve a system like this. See you there.